Hello happy people, I'm back with another video and welcome to day 5 of my 12 days of Swatchmas. And in this series I'm going to be swatching out all of the gel polishes and acrylics that I have in my entire collection. I do have a dedicated playlist for this series and I'll link it down in the description box below, but I hope you all are enjoying the series so far. Today I'm going to be swatching out some new gel polishes that I got in from Born Pretty. I believe this is their Jelly Pink collection and I hope you all are enjoying the series so far. So sit back, relax, and stay tuned to day 5 of my 12 days of Swatchmas. So this here is the 6-piece gel polish set that I got from Born Pretty. It does come with 6 different colors. It says all shine on me. And they have this cute little retro, super colorful packaging for their polishes. So let's hop right on into it. So let's go ahead and take a look at each of these colors. It did come, like I said, with 6 different colors. Let's take a closer look at each one. Okay, so these are the 6 colors that's included. Let's take a closer look at each one. First color we have here is 01. Okay, I think this has the name of the collection on here. It says it's the Misty Rose Semi Jelly collection. Okay, that's pretty cool. And then these are 7 ml bottles. So let's take a look at 01. Oh, super cute. So this is a really cute jelly translucent pink color. It's a really light dainty pink. 02. Okay, this here is a little bit more of a deeper pink color, but also still very jelly. 03. Ooh, this here is a really cute, like kind of like a nudie brown jelly color. That's really nice. 04. This here is a really cute jelly pink color. It's a little bit deeper than the first two. 05. Ooh, this is a cute light pink jelly color. And then last but not least is 06. And this here is even lighter pink. It looks like it has like kind of like lavenderish purpley undertones to it. So yeah, y'all, let's get the swatching. 01. Really cute. Yeah, really nice light jelly pink color. And the thing I love about jelly colors too is that, you know, you can build up the opacity on it. So I'm going to do 2 coats of all of these polishes, but this is a really cute light pink color. I like that a lot. 02. This shade of pink is just ever so deeper than that first one. A really pretty collection. Yeah, that's cute. 03. Wow. I really like this like jelly nude brownish color. That's really, really pretty. I feel like if you want it, this could be a pretty cool base for like some tortoiseshell nails if you want it. Yeah, that's a really pretty color. 04. Very cute. It's kind of like a mauvey pink color. Very cute. Even though these are jelly, I like that they, you know, have some pretty decent opacity to them. 05. Another little bit of a softer pink color. Super cute. Yeah, that's really nice. Soft levels beautifully. And last but not least is 06. Very pretty. I mean, some of these pinks are slightly similar, but you know, I feel like over the years I've gained a really good appreciation for jelly colors. They're really versatile. That's a cute little pink. I'll go ahead and carry. I'm going to do 2 coats of these and I'll be back. Alrighty, so this is what all these colors are looking like swatched out. This is a really beautiful pink collection, if I do say so myself. So the first color we have here is 01, which again is this really beautiful light pink color. It's really cute and it's really dainty. I really like how that looks. Next we have 02, which is just slightly deeper pink color. Absolutely love how it looks though. Super cute. Again, this collection I feel like is just perfect for like the love months, like Valentine's Day. Next we have 03, which is this really beautiful jelly brown color. I just feel like that's a really cute nude, and I feel like it would be a cool background to try to do like some leopard print nails or cheetah print nails. Next we have 04, which is a little bit more of like a deeper kind of like bubblegummy pink color. Next we have 05, which is this really cute slightly deeper light pink color. And then last but not least is 06, which is this really beautiful jelly pink color that has just ever so slight hints of lavender undertones to it. So yeah, all these colors together I feel like make a really cute jelly nude collection. So as y'all can see, I really like these jelly pinks, this jelly pink collection. What do they call it? The Misty Rose Semi Jelly collection. I really like that a lot from Born Pretty. I think it's an absolutely gorgeous collection. I am going to leave the link to this collection down in the description box below in case you guys are interested and want to get your hands on it. I do really like Born Pretty products. I think they're really good quality at a very affordable price. I think this collection is like under 10 bucks and it is available on Amazon. So like I said, I'll leave a link down in the description box below in case you guys want to check it out. And I hope that you guys are enjoying my 12 days of Swatchmas. Come back tomorrow. I'll be back with another swatch video, and yeah, let me know how you guys are enjoying it so far, and how do you all feel about Born Pretty products? I'm a pretty big fan of Born Pretty. I do upload every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. If you all like what you saw here, definitely stick around, join the happy family. I'd love to have you. And as always, you guys, leave some love in the comments down below, and I'll see you in my next video. I hope you all have a wonderful, awesome, spectacular day. Bye.